Hello everyone, this is Charlotte from JIMI and Concox. Today, I will very glad to here to talk with you about our company JIMI and Concox latest LTE solution for Australia telematics industry. Today, we will separate 4 parts to talk about it. Firstly, I would like to introduce our company JIMI and Concox. We almost have 20 years industry history for the IoT and IoV industry, and there are 1,600 employees in our company. There are 7 R&D centers in China, and we almost complete more than 3,000 landing projects until now. As one of the brand of JIMI LTE, Concox has the mission of making connections simpler to meet the different requirements from the clients and focus on the different countries around the world. JIMI and Concox provide 2G, 3G, and 4G devices, and we focus on the wired tracker, wireless tracker, personal tracker, desk camera, and public security. Second one, let's take a look on the Australia telematics capability. Australia is developing faster than you may initially think when it comes to telematics. LTE is not just about the telematics, it is about handing data over into the other complex fields. Like if you are at home or if you are in retail, it is about knowing what is going on with your goods and how they are being delivered. Focus on the Australia telematics system. 1 million new passengers and commercial vehicles are registered per year, and there are almost 13.5 million vehicles on the roads. So it has a very huge market focus on the Australia telematics industry. Then I would like to talk about JIMI provide GPS tracking solution. JIMI would like to provide the complete solution for you for the several kinds of LTE hardware, LTE wired tracker, LTE wireless tracker, and we also provide the software, cloud server, platform, and application. To meet the market of Australia, JIMI and Concox also added the band 28 to meet it. So let's take a look on the V001. It is our latest multifunctional LTE vehicle tracker. It is a powerful and easy to install 4G GPS tracker that gives you actionable telematics insights, in addition to the standard functions which can act as GPS location, geofence alert, and also can act as a Wi-Fi hotspot. So let's take a look on the V001, the standard accessories. So let's take a look on the outlook. It's very cool, huh? And thank you. Let's connect the cable with it. Very easy to connect. And I put it here. It has the power cable and the ACC cable for the ACC detection, relay cable for the remote fuel and the power cut off, and it also has the SOS button for the emergency. Okay. So for the features of the V001, it has the real-time tracking. You can check this device, or you can check the whole fleet of your company on our platform and application. It is very easy to use it, and it also has a Wi-Fi hotspot. For the Wi-Fi hotspot, I would like to talk more information in the next part. And also has the relay for the remote fuel power cut off, the fuel level management if you use the fuel sensor, and SOS button in ACC detection, geofence, vibration detection, and the basic driver behavior monitoring. So let's take a look on the highlight function of the WLO1. For the Wi-Fi hotspot, after activated by sending commands, Wi-Fi hotspot can give a network coverage for the passengers and drivers. Like the drivers and the passengers can use their phone to connect the Wi-Fi hotspot for the sharing data. And it also has another one port for the RS485. This port can support many accessories like RFID, car reader. Okay, thank you. So the RFID car reader, the driver's driving time and the driving permission can be managed through it. It's very easy to use and very important for the fleet management. The second one is the fuel sensor. This one is our company very popular fuel sensor, and it can be used for the fuel level detection and the fuel cost, and also can avoid the fuel theft. And also it can use the temperature sensor. It can be used to detect the abnormal temperature. It is very important for the logistics industry. And for the RS485, it also can be used the gravity sensor. And the last one I would like to talk about the WLO1 adopts Android 4.4 as its operational system that benefits those clients who want to build their own APK, so as to meet the expectation of the software customization. So the second one I would like to talk about our latest LTE Cat M1 and the narrowband IoT vehicle tracker WLO2. As a part of 5G new radio network, LPWA devices will be compatible with the next 5 years. For the network LTE-M and NB-LT, we expect that these communications standards will be integrated as a part of 5G protocol, as they both meet 5G LPWA requirements. For the being engineered with LTE and GSM technology, it is not only compatible with the 4G network, but also provided effective and comprehensive requirements. So let's take a look on the device. This is a WLO2, sorry. The WLO2 also has the power cable, and the TTL do it with RS232. And it also has a one wire. You can use it for the temperature sensor, fuel sensor, and I button. And it also has a SOS button for the emergency. So there are some kinds of applicable industries you can use the WLO1 and the WLO2. For the fleet management, logistic and car rental management, public service vehicles, public transportation, and private vehicles. So let's take a look on our latest LTE Cat M1 and NB2 asset tracker LO1. It has a very strong magnetic and high quality devices. It has the very big battery power, IP65 waterproof, and also has the temper alert. Let's take a look on it. It has the network indicator, and in this size, it has the battery display. And open it, it has the power button, and this device is a rechargeable device. And on the back side is a very interesting design. it has the light sensor. Like for example, if somebody want to remove the device and the light sensor detect the light, you will get the alert by the message platform alert, and the device also can call you to let you know somebody is trying to remove it. So I put it here. So like let's take a look on the function of the LR1. It has a very big power battery and IP65, strong magnetic, and I think most clients would like to focus on the standby time. This device, for example, a client just want to one position per day, and the standby time will up to the 3 years. And it also can be used on the Bluetooth configuration. There are some kind of applicable industries you can use the LL01. Logistic management, car rental management, asset tracking, vehicle insurance, and empowered equipment. So I would like to mention about our VLO2 and the LL1 has got FCC, CE, PTCRB, and AT&T certification. We are very proud of it. So my partner Janet will talk about the next part. So thank you and welcome, Janet.
Hello everyone. This is Janet. I work in JIMI as a sales manager and represent for the Asia Pacific market. So today I will talk about the car camera solution. So as you can see, in JIMI, not only we have the GPS tracking solution, but also we have the car camera. So I will start to explain our car camera solution now. And so in the fleet management industry, there are some pain points such as, number one, are you stressed over finding cost-effective solution for your fleet and reducing overall cost? Number two, do you struggle to find the right data? Number three, are you concerned about pulling trucks off the road for training? Number four, how is your technology treating you and your business? So let's see how JIMI's solution can help from these pain points. So this is our solution structure. As you can see, input the 4G dashcam telematics device in the vehicle and connect with the TCP, HTTP, RTMP communication protocol. Each protocol is sending different data into one platform. And next, I will explain more application scenarios for our dashcam. First, for online car hailing company, the company like Didi in China, Grab in Southeast countries, and Uber in North America. We have cooperate with Grab in Indonesia. I will show you how we cooperate with Grab. So for Grab, we installed the dashcam telematics device in Grab car. Under the emergency situation, Grab driver can press the SOS button. So the picture and image and GPS position data will send to the cloud server. Once the operator receives emergency data, they will take necessary action for the driver's safety. For example, they will call the driver to check his status. If it's unknown status, quickly the operator will call the police department for help. So feedback by Grab in 2019, after installed JIMI dash camera telematics solution, it had saved more than 10 people's lives and 2 stolen cars was found back. And second application scenarios is in some countries to improve the safe driving. government has meditation to install the car camera in taxi, in minibus, in touring cars. So if you are looking for an economic price and easy installation solution, our products can be your choice. And finally, in the United States and the United Kingdom country, the insurance provider had already introduced discount for anyone driving with a dash cam. We look forward to Australia in that insurance provider following the suit. So next, I will talk about our products. About the car camera, currently we got two models. One is the JC400, the basic version. So what it makes outstanding on JC400? Number one, the devices combined GPS tracker function and the video camera monitoring in one device. That gives a fleet management sample report. Number two, built on AI technology that continuously monitoring driving behavior to provide critical feedback and alert. Number three, if you want to have more driving behavior data, JC400 also can detect alerts of harsh acceleration, harsh brake, harsh turning. Number four, while in the emergency situation, press SOS button that will trigger the in-car image or video and send it to the cloud. So this is our multifunctional device, JC500. It's a target to heavy truck vehicle market. The device is installed under the dashboard, which supports two external cameras. Also, it has various of ports to connect with different sensors. Compared with MDVR, this solution is lower cost and easy installation. So I will show you more details. What is the difference between JC400 and the JC500? So this is the JC400 dashcam, and this is the JC500, the Android box. As you can see, JC400 is the device installation is installed at the front window shade, and JC500 is hide under the dashboard. And JC500 has more sensors like RFID reader, fuel sensor, temperature sensor, load sensor. These sensors all are benefit for truck management. And finally, the camera position, as you can see, the JC400 has the camera is built in the equipment, but JC500 the camera is connected with external way, connect with the escapable cable. And so the camera can be adjust the viewing angle in different angle. Okay, so the conclusion is JC400 is more target for small size of vehicle, and the JC500 is ideal for heavy trucks. So my presentation is end, and I hope my presentation today can help you to get easy understand of a JIMI car camera solution. Thank you.